Hey Diane, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking this video. This is Lucas, and this is the little video I put together for you guys that I was telling you about 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really easy so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, you'll be beating Miramar Kitchen and Bath and Lars Remodel, but I noticed that you're not ranking at the very top on any of your services, so you can use it for anything. This is basically what you need to do in order to steal those first positions and get all the business that comes with it. You may wonder why I make this video for you. This is simple. I know business owners, they're very busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business, right? So then when it comes to time to hire somebody to do that, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't know yourself. So that's why I do these videos. I like to make educational videos and I send them to the business owners for free so they can have all the information. And then a lot of them, they take the information and they implement it themselves, or they just give me a call and they have me do it for them. Either one is okay with me. I just do this because it's my passion. But if you like what you see on the video, just give me a call, send me an email, and I'll help you with it. That said, let's jump into it. What Google uses to rank a website at the very top is 3 things. There are 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. Content, as you can imagine, is everything that is on your website. All the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind those pictures. And when I paste it here, you see that you have a little over 200 words on your front page. Google usually like to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content, okay, on the front page. So you see, for example, one of your competitors here, Lars Remodel, they have a lot of text and a lot of pictures, and when you put it on the word counter here, they have about 1,500 words, and all with a bunch of keywords. A kitchen, Miramar Kitchen and Bath, as you see, also. And what I was saying about the keywords, you cannot use any content. You need to put keywords in order to be found. A keyword is basically what people are looking up the most regarding the services that you're providing. It doesn't matter if it's roofing, electricians, for solar, for kitchen remodel, okay? You want to find the terms that people are looking at the most and they are most in demand, and then you want to drop those several times throughout that content in order for Google to be able to find you when people are looking those up. Second thing, backlinks. A backlink is basically another website. Put in a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here to your site, okay? And basically that works like a popularity contest. Google likes to see a bunch of relevant websites giving you those backlinks and vouching for you. You can get backlinks honestly for any kind of website, like for example, a website that talks about fashion or food. They're not as close, as powerful and important for you as if another construction company or another remodeling company gives you a backlink, okay? Google, in order to give you power, is to see backlinks within the same niche, all right? So those are the ones you want to go after. To check backlinks here in Purple Room, we use Ahrefs. Here, when I put your website, I see that you have 88 referring domains. That means that it's 88 websites out there that somewhere in the website is a link to your site, to this exact website, okay? So that is pretty good. As you see, your competition has Lars Remodel 74 and Miramar Kitchen 38. How come with less backlinks they're ranking higher? Well, they have way more content and keyword-oriented content, but also their backlinks are way more stronger, okay? So what can you do in order to beat them? Just copy them. If this is good for them, this is good for you as well. So you go through every single one of these, and through every single one of these websites, you log in, you make a profile, and then you drop a link to your site on that profile. That way, you have all the same as they do, plus another extra. So that way you're not just matching, you're beating them. And with that and the 2,000 words of content, you'll be securing the first spot in no time. That works for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, but also for if you want to rank for any other of your services, just check what is your competition on those, how many backlinks they have, and you put the content with those words and those backlinks, okay? Last thing I want to tell you about, citations. That is what it gets you up here. All you need to do is figure out how many citations your competition has. You have many tools to do that. And then what I would do is copy them, same with the backlinks, and then you want to add at least 100 more. All right, at least. A citation is basically your information listed in several directories all throughout the web. directories like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, Angie's List, etc. All right. So, for example, if they have 150, I would probably put about 300. That way, when they want to catch up with you, when they realize that you stole the first spot, it's really hard for them to do that because when you start building, you start building again. That way, let's make a little recap. 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on the front page. You want a healthy, strong backlink profile that you start building by copying your competition and then adding some extra. And to finish, building the citations at least 100 more than your competition. If you're interested in this and have your business blowing up, I would recommend you to start doing this as soon as possible, since implementing everything takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be ringing. All right? So if you like the video and you like what you've seen, you want me to help you get in there, give me a call, please send me an email, whatever you prefer, and I'll gladly help you. But if you want to take all this free education and do it yourself, feel free to do it as well. If you have any questions throughout the process, just give me a call and I'll help you out. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you don't mind to give me a little bit of feedback on the video, I do these things for free and the feedback really makes my day. Thank you and have a great one.